Crude oil continues to show signs of strength, but it is testing resistance as of today, another resistance level. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So you can see that crude continued its rally to a high of 73.12, which is where it encountered resistance around the 50% retracement and this previous interim swing high here at 73.15. 73.15 is the key level because a decisive breakout above it, meaning there's a breakout and price keeps rising, will trigger a bullish reversal of this downtrend here, this smaller downtrend, and further show buyers stepping up into crude oil. In addition, the 50% retracement will be broken. The next target would be the 61.8% retracement around 74.60 and potential resistance of the bottom boundary line of this large symmetrical triangle pattern. Now, the triangle can be redrawn potentially, but for now I'm going to leave it as it is because I think it's giving us more useful information. So that means we're going to be watching for potential resistance around that line, which was support, 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 resistance, neither right here, and now we're going to test it as support again. So if it is resistance again, if it is resistance and price turns back down, then these lower levels are at risk of being approached and tested as support. However, a daily close above the trend line opens up the door for a potential breakout through the top of the symmetrical triangle. Now, notice that the apex is getting pretty close, so if something's going to happen and keep the triangle valid, it's going to happen within the next month or so, more than likely, in my opinion. Okay, so now that we have the C low over here from last week or the week before, we can create a new ABCD pattern, giving us a potential target up here at 80.78 if that follows suit as anticipated with higher targets from this pattern also showing here. We'll talk more about that in the future if we continue to see strength in crude oil. Okay, that is it for crude traders. Have a great week.